Who wouldn't like to control their own dreams? Sounds cool, right? That is. Until you get so involved in controlling your unconscious, you get stuck and can't get back to reality. Your dream just turned into a nightmare. Movies such as Inception or Nightmare on Elm Street have popularized wild notions of what can go wrong with lucid dreaming, but are these scenarios based on reality? Is it possible to get stuck in a lucid dream? Are these scary ideas backed by evidence? Let's find out in today's video. Dreams have always been a bit of a mystery in our lives. No matter how fascinating or terrifying, some dreams can seem extremely real. They can produce a series of emotions from happiness to fear. Most of the time, our dreams are a product of our subconscious. We're not in control. Our brain creates the images we see in dreams, despite how we feel about them. However, some people can fully control their dreams through lucid dreaming. A lucid dream occurs when a person is asleep but aware that they are dreaming. In this state, a person can take control of their dream's narrative to some degree. You see, you're practically manipulating your own dream, essentially guiding and directing the course of the dream. Imagine being able to narrate your own story and deciding what you see in your dream. How cool is that? You may alter the setting, characters, or other elements of your dream, or even perform superhuman feats not possible in real life, like flying and time traveling. Some people even lucid dream to try to solve problems they're struggling with or to induce creativity for professional endeavors. Because this type of sleep is associated with awareness and the reflection of this awareness, it is often associated with what is known as metacognition. That involves the awareness and understanding of your own thought processes. Research suggests that lucid dreaming and metacognitive functions share similar neural systems. This means that people with heightened abilities to monitor their own thoughts may be more likely to experience lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming typically isn't considered dangerous because it doesn't put the dreamer or others at any imminent risk. However, Dr. Frida Rangtel, a sleep educator and science advisor, says it's possible that many of the techniques used to practice lucid dreaming can disturb sleep, which can potentially impact cognition and memory if the interruption is prolonged. But according to the International Journal of Dream Research, lucid dreaming can lead to increased creativity. It can also have therapeutic benefits like reducing nightmares, post-traumatic stress disorder, and depression. Lucid dreaming may also have positive effects on mental health for some people. Common reasons for lucid dreaming include problem solving, overcoming fears, spiritual growth and inner work, emotional, mental, and even physical healing. Many participants, particularly men and young people, used lucid dreams for wish fulfillment. Older dreamers and women were more likely to lucid dream for inner work or healing purposes. When it came to how dreamers felt when they woke up, lucid dreaming led to neutral or, particularly in the case of wish fulfillment, positive moods. However, don't get too excited. If people spend a lot of time engaging in lucid dreaming, they may begin to feel like they're losing understanding of what is a dream and what is not. Like anything, if you spend too much time doing something, it can have adverse side effects. One final consideration: achieving episodes of lucid dreaming to experience an alternative reality can become addictive. The obsession or desire to spend more time in bed or in the pursuit of an alternative reality through lucid dreaming can have a negative impact on professional life, love life, and social involvement. It can feel frightening to get stuck in a lucid dream. However, sending wake-up signals to your brain can trigger your brain to fully leave the dream state. If you do find yourself stuck and unable to get out of the dream, try blinking your eyes, or cry out for help, or make yourself fall asleep in the dream, or maybe even try to read a book in your dream or do anything else the sleeping brain is not capable of. If after trying these out you still have no luck waking up, don't panic, you'll eventually wake up. The fear of being trapped in a lucid dream does sound scary, despite being able to control the events and aspects of it. However, one cannot get trapped inside a lucid dream indefinitely, as it is biologically impossible to stay asleep for too long a period of time. The dreamer will awaken no matter what, once the sleep cycle is over. Well, this isn't the only fear people have about lucid dreaming. There are in fact quite many famous misconceptions related to this incredible phenomena thanks to famous sci-fi Hollywood movies. The things they show you in movies aren't always backed up by evidence, and hate to break it to you, are mostly just myths or real-life events that are exaggerated to capture the audience's attention. For example, it is a myth that a person can become permanently stuck in a lucid dream, or that a lucid dream can last the entire night. Nor is it true that you can use lucid dreaming to interact with the dead, or with another living person in a different location. Of course, since lucid dreams feel very real, you might have the sensation of doing such things if you dream them, though they would not have happened in reality. Lucid dreaming also does not involve alien abduction or paranormal activity, though researchers have found that people who lucid dream are also more likely to report having had paranormal experiences. This connection might be because people who are psychologically open to new experiences are generally more likely to experience altered mental states. People who frequently lucid dream may occasionally experience sleep paralysis or false awakenings, which can be frightening experiences, but which generally resolve on their own, so no need to worry. While lucid dreaming may have some mental health benefits, some evidence suggests that it may also have downsides. Studies have proven that lucid dreaming may also cause problems that include making it hard to go back to sleep, reducing sleep and confusion, delirium, and hallucinations. In people who have certain mental health disorders, lucid dreams may blur the line between what's real and what's imagined. But that's not the only drawback they found from this magical phenomena. It also is dangerous for your health. Yes, it can cause several problems, including negative mental health impacts such as long-term risks of sleeping problems, depression and dissociation, sleep interruptions, and even nightmares. You heard that right, you might be more likely to have bad dreams. Invoking dreams that are both vivid and emotional could potentially make it more likely that nightmares will occur. So next time, before trying out lucid dreaming, it might be a good idea to watch this video again to remind you of the consequences, so you can ask yourself, do you really want to do this? Have you ever tried lucid dreaming? And if so, how was your experience with it? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.